Move! Hands in the air!
You are under arrest for the murder of Hugh Crosney.
Sharon Solar is one of the longest-standing fugitives on the FBI's most wanted list, was arrested yesterday, 30 years after the notorious bank robbery that claimed the life of a guard.
You're late.
Well, if I'm not here, they can't fire me, right? Who's your best reporter?
New reports reveal that terrorist suspect Nicholas Sloan remains at large.
Do you still have your friend in the FBI field office? I'm not sure she ever wants to speak to me again.
Get me something and you can keep your job.
What's wrong? You look weird.
I'm fine, honey.
Can I just see the case file for old time's sake?
You think because we hooked up in college, I'm going to give you access to FBI wiretaps?
Wiretaps?
We talked to Jim Grant.
Who's Jim Grant?
He's a lawyer, man. He's obviously a responsible single parent, pillar of society.
Nothing I can turn into a story. Mr. Grant, I'm just trying to put the pieces together.
I don't have time for this.
I look at the man's history. Nothing. The man doesn't exist before 1979.
We all died. Some of us came back.
We're not going to school. We're going to go on a little trip.
I think he knows how to run, which means he has an advantage.
I got him! East stairwell! Don't move! Stay right there!
Kids our age were being murdered by our government. We made mistakes, but we were right.
We're bringing these people down, and I hope I don't find you in my way.
What are you gonna do?
My job. FBI was in my apartment. They're pissed because I'm doing their job better than they are.
You're about to do a lot of damage to a lot of people with no idea how much.
I don't want anything to do with this.
Did you kill that man?
Of course not.
Right now, nothing he's doing makes any sense if he's guilty.
Got him.
You have a full green light. I don't think he's running away. I think he's trying to clear his name.
Secrets are a dangerous thing. We all think we want to know them, but you also discover something about yourself. I hope you're ready for that.